What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and welcome to the channel. We're back again with some more Bitcoin updates and some more Algorand news. So the way I wanted to start this video, we're gonna, like I said, speak on Algorand, Bitcoin, and a comment that we had on my prior video. First things I wanted to point out: did you guys know that when you go over here and hit this like button, it turns blue? It's crazy. You guys should just all do that right now. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel. All right. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get alerted when I drop these videos. Also, I'm not trying to sell you nothing here, guys, but if you want to learn and become a better trader, if you already are a trader, you consider yourself an expert, a beginner, it doesn't matter. Come and share some knowledge with the community chart champions. The link is in the description. You could click on this as a Telegram group and join, and you will not regret it. If you're trading stocks, and you could also trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin on Webull, if you live here in America, here's a free link. We'll get some free stocks, me and you, for using my link. Thank you. So here we go. One of the comments on the last video I made, I was talking about critical levels that Bitcoin has to hit in order for us to go bullish again. So one person commented over here that he wouldn't buy until it hits 60 cents. And I would say, I'll be meeting you around that time. If it goes below 60, I'm definitely going to pick up some algo. And Mr. Human X over here didn't believe that would happen. He said, are you both crazy? It will never dump to this level. And I said, well, my good friend, on June 22nd, we went down to 67 cents already. And that being said, why wouldn't it hit 60? Why is that not reachable? You know, and we're going to show that. So right here, June 22nd, as you can see all the way in the bottom, right here, June 22nd, we actually hit lower than what I said. I said 67 cents. That is actually 64 cents right there. So we went to 64 cents already. And right now we're working off of a green dot. We've been experiencing a nice nice run, but we still haven't broken these critical levels. And then critical levels that I'm talking about, this is orange line right here, which is my 200-day EMA. Like I said before, in order for us to go bullish, we need to go above that and stay above it and close above it. That way we could say, okay, we're starting a bullish trend. So, but if that doesn't happen, the other possibility that could happen is a red dot. Of course, we all know what a red dot is. It means we're going to go down. And even look at these EMAs. These EMAs are all trying to curve down right now. I mean, it could easily go up, but this is the thing. When it goes up, it meets resistance at 92 cents, meets resistance at 95 cents, and then your 50 EMA is still above that at 96 cents. That's why it's been struggling to get to that dollar. But and like I said, yeah, we have experienced a nice run, but I think we're starting to run out of gas because that run happened over the weekend. You know, institutions don't trade over the weekend. They're taking the time off. They don't. So now we are in the weekday. I believe we're gonna go down a little bit. They're gonna drag us down. And that being said, though, I don't want to sound like a whole bag of bad news because I think we're going to go down. But I think overall, we don't have that much time left of this choppy sideways market, honestly. My personal opinion. This is not financial advice. This is financial entertainment. But I think, all right, so let me show you why I say this. Bitcoin right now is in a descending triangle, you call it, or wedge. I didn't close it because I moved the trend lines as we print different candles to make it more accurate. So it's a little open. So whatever you want to call it, a wedge or a triangle, but it's descending. A descending triangle is usually a bullish pattern that's going to break upwards. So here, I got excited a few times already when we jumped all the way up to $36,669. And over here we met again to the trend line. I thought we were going to break it at 35K. And as you see, I think we're going to end up breaking that trend line. Yes, we could play around and go up and down. Like I said, keep trending up and down. But eventually we're going to run out and we're going to have to do a move. We're going to have to do a move to the downside or to the upside. And I'm more of a fan of the upside, because we have suffered a lot already, guys. I mean, right? We need a time to breathe, Here, let me draw squiggly lines all over the place now. We need time to breathe. How how much of a discount has Bitcoin gave us already? Let's find out right here. How much of a fall? Whatever you want to, however you want to interpret it. Discount, fall. If you're still buying, if you're still in and don't have money to buy, don't know what to tell you. Negative 49%. So we suffered almost a 50% loss already. And yes, crypto always says it can go down 80%. So I mean, that's what it's gonna do. If we break the support right here, yeah, we're going down about 80%. 80% does fall perfectly in the range that everyone's talking about, 25K, 23K. Let's see what 80% is at. Right there. Uh-oh. Stay. Boop. Now, 80% is at 12K. That's a little bit too much. I don't think we're going to do that. Let's see where our 20 is. Let's see. So 20K, if we go down 20K, that is a 67% drop. So yeah, I mean, we can see 20K and that's only 67% drop. It actually could do more, but I don't think it's going to go below 20K. 20K. I think we might see 23K if we don't break up. Of course, like I tell you all the time, traders are not psychics. We wait for things like this to happen. We wait for EMAs to cross in order to know where it's going and to take our trade. So, like I said, if we break this beautiful support line, honestly, the support line is 30K. It's a strong support line. It's a structural support line. It runs through a lot of points that it hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count it yourself. Back tested 30K is the one. If we break below 30K, we're going to slide. We're going to see those 25, 23s. What does that mean for algo? Well, we already touched 65 cents, right? And if that's 65 cents now, so let's see what an 80% drop for algo is. Let's see, guys. Drum roll. I'll give it to you. I'll do the drum roll effect myself. 80%. No, it's too much. 80% of who? You guys don't want to see that. 80% is 37 cents. All right, so let's not get let's see what 60 cents is, or below 60 actually. Yeah. 58 cents is 68%. I think that I mean in the worst case scenario that can happen. But I think if Bitcoin goes into the 20s, we could definitely see algo in below 60 cents, guys. That's the worst case scenario. Like I said, I am not a believer of the worst case scenario. I'm rooting for the bulls. All right. I'm rooting for the upside. I'm rooting to break the resistant line. All right. I want to go up, not now. But either way, when you're a trader, you got to be prepared. There was a saying we used to say in the military, in the U.S. Army. It would say, you pray for the best, but always be prepared for the worst. Follow that rule, guys. Pray for the best. Always be a moon boy. You know what I mean? But prepare for the worst. And being prepared for the worst meaning you tether some profit out. You have money aside already that you wanted to invest more. You know what I mean? You always have to keep dry powder around, because once you run out of money, then you're locked in. The market has full control of your money, because You don't got no more to lower your average share price or whatnot. So there you have it. What is Algo doing right now? Like I said, it's we had a nice run already. We've been had a nice run, but I think we're cooling off now. Yeah, we're definitely cooling off now. It's definitely going down already. See that nice red candle right there? Whoop. That's a big one. See that? So that's a cool off on the 4 hour chart already. MACD already touched the histogram. So yeah, we're definitely gonna cool off, guys. But after a cool off, I'm anticipating a nice Kobe, a nice little run. And even if we don't get the run right away, I will let it fall and pick it back up because that's what I do as a trader. Like I said, join Chart Champions and, come join the elites because we got some monsters in there, guys. Hope you become part of us. See ya. Take care. God bless. Wish y'all more money.